All right, so today I'm doing a demonstration of the Passi Extension Arm, part number 3036 KFG. These are the parts right here, but of course it works with the Passi-Flash 3036. These all go together at this point. First thing I recommend doing is I recommend using the lanyard to prevent accidents. So you thread the little string through the handle, and this is so if somebody was to drop the equipment, that it wouldn't cause any kind of serious damage to either people or to other equipment. So that's what that looks like. Next, this is an extension pole, and if you rotate this yellow band, it allows it to extend longer or to the desired length. Okay. The way to attach this to this equipment is using this foam block. Okay. So first step is you stretch open of the two holes. The smaller hole I like to do first, and you kind of pull it open with your fingers like that, and then attach this arm. So that's just snugly holding on just from the squeezing of this rubber. Okay. Next, you put the machine in. Let's take a look. So this is a really nice grip. It holds it pretty securely, but let's put a safety on it just to be certain. We supply a Velcro strap that really there's no chance of anything falling out after you put the strap on. So you thread one end through the little slot, and then it tightens up like a belt. So now it's very, very safe. One of the reasons we have this design is because everything is soft. So if anything was to scratch equipment or come in contact with a person by accident, it's soft and makes it a lot more safe. Okay, and the black handle enables you to put on whatever degree of angle on the jib arm. Okay, and again, if you rotate this, you could extend it out to 4 feet. Thank you for watching the video.